Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to give you the lowdown on what happened last video and why I am making this video today. That was very overly dramatic, but we're going to go with it. Okay, last video, which was yesterday, I reviewed this product right here. It is the L'Oreal Colorista Spray. It's a one-day hairspray that distributes color to your hair. Seen it on Instagram, probably seen it on YouTube. It's very good for festival season, it's very good for Halloween coming up. However, it does leave residue and it will get everywhere. It's on my walls. White walls, it's on my walls. So I wanted to try another version because it did come off really quickly. Like, I didn't even wash my hair and it's basically gone from my head top. If you want to see what happened, just go watch that video. But those are my, I guess, ending thoughts on that. So I went back to the drugstore because I wanted something else. I wanted more. I wanted to try more. I ended up picking these up. Now these are the Color Crave hair makeup. Same thing. It washes out with shampoo. It is not permanent at all. It's for dark to light hair, both of them. So I actually got 3. I got 2 of the Brilliant Amethyst. It's like this purpley one right here. And I also got the Shimmering Platinum for my hair as well. So I kind of wanted to see how both of these worked, how it would work if I mixed them, things like that. Because I have curly hair, I wanted to see how it worked with curly hair. So let's just get right into this video. Oh, and as you can see on the back, it also tells you what other colors it comes in. It does not say the names, but it just shows it. I know that there's a red, there is a gold, there's a rose gold, there's a bronze, the silver, and the amethyst one, which is the one that I have, and the silver one's the one that I have. This is what the tube looks like. Just like that. It says hair makeup shimmering platinum washes out with shampoo. Now if we open this, the little like foam applicator, so you just squeeze it and the product comes out. So the instructions on the bottle does say make your statement. It says, first of all, shake the tube before using, squeeze tube until color appears on sponge applicator, swipe onto dry strands of hair. My strands are a little bit damp, but we're gonna just ignore that. And then it says heat with blow dryer to lock in color, and then washes out with shampoo. Alright, so I'm not going to directly blow dry my hair because if you're a curly girl, you know you do never directly blow dry your hair. So what I am going to do is actually diffuse my hair. Like I said, my hair is a little bit damp, so the diffusing would help with that, and it won't. And I'll see if it works. So I've seen other tutorials on this, and they kind of just I've seen ones where they put the strands and then they finish wherever they want and then do it, and some do as they go so that it dries instantly as they apply more. But I'm gonna just apply all over my head and then, heat set it. See that? Oh, it's very watery, like you don't even see it. Don't mind my hands tinted purple, that's from yesterday. But that's what the color kind of looks like. Like, see, it got tinted a little bit, but guys, that is it for this video. As you can see, those were my results at one swipe. This strand, where is it? Right here, that's when I heat set it and then did it a second time. I believe it's a strand. Yeah. Some of my hair is still kind of damp, but that's, you know, curly hair. As you can see, it's all over my hands, but it is washable, so it will wash right out. My shirt, however, I'm just gonna go and try and get that out, like, right now. But other than that, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As you can see, it did show up pretty damn good in my hair, and I like this one better because you could pick different spots of where you want it and just paint it on, unlike the other one where it was kind of like a spray. So like I just sprayed it here and it just all contained right here and then a little bit over here, and it's like, yeah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, hello, what are you doing? And while you're at it, hit the post notification bell so you know when I upload. So that's all for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.